Hey everyone, and welcome back to Butchie Boom. Have we got a treat for you? We are heading up Prospect Mountain in Lake George, New York. Man, they got some stuff for you to see up here. It's got great for camera shots. They got trails. You got all kinds of stuff up here. So if you ever find yourself in Lake George, which we hope you do, you got to make sure that you come up here to Prospect Mountain. I'm going to be quiet so you can just see the road all the way up there. Okay, so we got about 15 minutes before we're going to be there, but we'll fast forward just so you don't have to muddle through. But we're just going to be quiet now. And by the way, you see these rails coming up. That's for the snow. We get so much snow up here that when the snow starts coming down, they have to close the road. Now I'll be quiet. A toll booth. I didn't know there was a toll booth. Did not know there was a toll booth.
Quite weird looking one. Do you have to pay?
I don't know.
Drop up here and disappear.
Yep, that's what I think. How we doing this?
Up this way? Good luck.
Yeah.
It's all straight uphill.
I think nothing.
Folks, this is called the Narrows. This is the very first stop along the way here. And we're going to see what we can do about getting you some of these views from Prospect Mountain. Yes, sir, folks. The Minnie Ha Ha. And here we go, further up the mountain, folks. This is 800 feet elevation. I don't know what I said before. I said about 2,500. I was off by about 2,000 feet. This is the Eagle's Eye. The problem is they got all the brush overgrown over here, and I'm not so sure we're going to have a good view. Yeah, we're not. So we're going to skip this, folks.
That rock said something. I wonder. It was a little tiny rock on the rock.
You want me swimming around?
Kind of.
Huh? Okay. Look, it looks like Joshua's tree right here to the right, folks. Where?
Stay right here. I'll give you. There's one here.
There's one back there. They might be kindness rocks.
One says, I wish you good health, and you are beautiful.
Go put them back. That's awesome. You put them in your own spot.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
There's a trail right there.
still climbing up further and further up Prospect Mountain, folks. And in case you were wondering too, folks, by the way, this mountain closes at 6 p.m. every day. So if you're not out of here, I think they lock you in. So it's just you and the bear.
Well, we only got an hour, so.
And if you guys were riding along with us in the car, you'd wind up having your ears pop just like mine just did. Did your guys' ears pop?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
My belly's popping too.
Your belly's popping. Well, that's another issue.
Yeah. It's getting big like yours.
You hear the abuse I have to take in order to put this Butchie Boom videos out. The abuse.
Hey, you threw a bottle at me again. That's gnarly.
Folks, I think we're coming up on the top of Prospect Mountain. They broadcast up here with their towers up here. We are here.
Uh-oh, that road's
Wow,
closed.
that's closed.
Yeah, we better get out of here soon.
But I wonder where that road goes, folks. Do you see that road there that's all closed off?
We're gonna be locked up here.
We may want to go up that road. Where do you think that goes?
Rudy, you gonna move the fence?
Yeah.
Fence. We don't need fences where we're going.
Yeah, we don't need roads either.
Jeez, finally we got up
Don't
here.
forget we're on camera here, guys.
Are you saying?
I'm just letting you know.
Donna's over here munching on my chips.
I know, getting into all my sounds.
Oh, fine.
Okay, folks, we're going to show you some pictures.
Go chase Go chase Go chase
God bless America, the state of New York, and all of our POWs.